I'm Muddy, the second in command of the castle. As second in command, I have a duty to protect the castle and protect all of you. I'm going to pick which team you'll be in. So, there will be 4 wolves in each team. Bolt and Lapis go with Finnick, Thori, and Feather. Lily, go with Marsh, and you both go with Colin and Leap. Have you heard about last night? Lily's den got on fire, then it spreaded. Wait, seriously? That could cause the whole forest to burn. At least it didn't get us, or other wolves anyway. We gotta be more cautious about this. Alright, but where's your brother and sister? I thought you knew!